Crypto 2-minute tutorial. How to add the Moonriver network to your MetaMask wallet. In this tutorial, I will be adding the Moonriver network to my Networks tab in the MetaMask wallet. Step 1. Go to CoinMarketCap. In the search bar, type in SolarBeam. Go to the solarbeam.io website. Click on Launch App. Allow this site to add a network. We are adding the Moonriver network. Approve. Switch network. Find the wallet you are using. Hit the check mark and press Next. Connect. You have now added the Moonriver network to your Networks tab in your MetaMask wallet. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel.